And we're at the beach vacationing with my family. I know y'all can hear us. Man, we're having a ball down here. Virtue, that soup chick, Chef Mommy. Oh my God, we rolling. Ebony. But a morning will not be a morning without breakfast, guys. And I wanted to bring something to you because I'm getting so many questions about how do you use sea moss? You know, how do you use sea moss gel? How do you cook with it? Well, I cook with it with my family every day almost, and I want to share a quick, easy, simple recipe with you guys on how we do it. This morning I'm going to make spelt pancakes, and of course my secret weapon is sea moss gel, right? So let's start off. I use spelt flour, right? And notice guys, this is not the brown spelt flour because I'm cooking this for all of us and the kids, and it's delicious like this. This is the white spelt flour, and I love it. It's organic, it's from Vegan Spelt, right? So I use 2 cups of white spelt flour. Of course, I'm going to use sugar, 2 ounces of sugar, right? I'm going to use some salt, and I also add cornmeal to my pancakes. I use a tablespoon for every cup. I know a lot of people don't like cornmeal, but I like it. If you don't, you can substitute oatmeal, you can substitute quinoa flour, another kind of flour. Just keep in mind, spelt flour has a different kind of gluten. The structure in it is not as strong as a regular wheat gluten. That stuff's like plastic. That's why spelt is so easily digestible, and that's why we use spelt. Put in some baking powder, and of course, I use Rumford because it's aluminum free, guys. Right? It's aluminum free. That's the only kind I like to use. And then, there we have it. So this is my dry mix. And before I do anything, I'm going to mix up my dry mix, right? So where my secret weapon comes in, okay? Because then I need wet stuff also. So I'm going to use a cup of milk, right? And I'm going to pour that into my measuring cup, right? Today I'm using rice milk because it's hypoallergenic, and I have some kids that's allergic to nuts, allergic to soy. So with the rice milk, you know, I'm safe. So I'm using a safe thing. So when I measure out my sea moss gel, I like to use a tablespoon, right? And then if you want to get a little crazy, you can actually use a whole ounce. I kind of pre-mix it a little bit with my milk, but you don't have to do all of that. Because remember, when it comes like this, it's already in a gel form. And the gel can sometimes look hard, but it's not hard, right? So I use that. I also am going to use some oil. I'm going to use what's on hand, right? So I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup. I like to mix all my liquids at the same time together, right? I'm going to use a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You can easily use lime juice if you want to, right? So I'm going to pour all that. I made a well. I'm going to pour it into my mix, right? And I'm going to whisk it until I have a mix, guys. And the beauty about this, I'm going to add a little water if I need to, right? Until I have a mix. But the difference with spelt, do not overmix it, okay? Try not to overmix it because, like I said, the structure of the gluten in spelt is a lot different than the structure of gluten in a regular wheat. It's not as hard, so if you overmix it, your stuff won't rise. But I tell you what, I think we already we got past that because we've added sea moss gel to our pancakes, which is gonna make it rise, right? So if you see that, that's too thick, right? When you're making pancakes. Somebody asked a question, how do I know what's too thick and how do I know what's too thin? This is too thick, right? And I'm not gonna make it too thin because I don't wanna ruin my batter, guys, right? But this is how simple, you just get it until it's a nice thick consistency. And you add your little water, you can add a little bit more milk. The beauty of the sea moss gel is that it's a natural protein filler and it's also a binder. So it can take the place of eggs. This is nature's perfect collagen, guys. So not only am I adding a vitamin to my mix, I'm adding collagen that's gonna make me stay young forever. It's gonna make you feel good. So as you can see, I got this mix done. So I'm just gonna start dropping it on my griddle. Watch how simple. And I have some blueberries on hand, blackberries on hand. You can take blackberries, raspberries, chocolate, whatever you feel like at the time, and you can add it onto your pancakes once you drop it.
I stopped it by mistake.
So see when those edges are starting to dry out, you got some bubbles that form, you start turning them over, okay? And these are gonna make perfect pancakes, right? And look how fluffy they are, man. Fluffy, and they're gonna continue to rise, right? Now at this point, I'll let them rise another minute, and then I start adding my my butter, my earth balance, okay? And that just makes them taste even better. If you like earth balance. Like I said, this is not just for me. I'm cooking for my family. So I love to give them what I eat. If I wouldn't eat it, I wouldn't give it to them, right? That's our motto. And this is earth balance. You could easily use Nutella. You can make your own butter. You can follow me and I'll show you how to make your own margarine if you don't like earth balance, okay? And that's a simple trick. You can use coconut, palm oil, organic. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey, don't forget, if you like what you see, follow me on Instagram, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, then go ahead on and head over to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, guys. Comment, like, tell me what you want to see more. Love y'all. And, oh, wait a minute. If you want to get the sea moss gel, we do have it available. It is available on Amazon under Red's Kitchen Sink. I got more pancakes. Here we go. Yum, yum.
Wait for me. Don't eat without me. Yummy. Can I take a picture of that? Oh my goodness. Oh. Where's my plate?
I'm right next door for you.
I need the syrup. The camera woman wants to eat too.
Can I take one off of that?
Bye.
Bye.